marching in a line. B is for bee, buzzing all the time. C is for cricket, singing in the night. D is for dragonfly, flying with delight. E is for earwig, hiding in the day. F is for firefly, glowing on the way. G is for grasshopper, jumping up high. H is for hornet, zooming through the sky. I is for inchworm, crawling nice and slow. J is for June bug, watch it glow. K is for katydid, chirping so clear. L is for ladybug, bringing us cheer. M is for mosquito, buzzing in your ear. N is for netwing beetle, orange wings appear. O is for owlfly, big eyes so bright. P is for praying mantis, standing tall and light. Q is for queen bee, ruling her hive. R is for rubberfly, hunting to survive. S is for stick insect, looking like a tree. T is for termite, working busily. U is for underwing moth, hiding wings away. V is for velvet ant, red and black display. W is for water strider, dancing on the stream. X is for xylophagus beetle, chewing wood it seems. Y is for yellow jacket, buzzing near the ground. Z is for zebra butterfly, flying all around. Now we say from A to Z, insects everywhere, wild and free. Hey.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat, so playful and small. D is for drum, let's dance with them all. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fish, swimming through sand. G is for goat, jumping so high. H is for helicopter, zoom in the sky. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jelly, wobbly slice. K is for kite, flying above. L is for lion, roaring with love. M is for monkey, climbing the tree. N is for nest, with birds so free. O is for orange, juicy delight. P is for panda, cuddly and white. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow colors all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging with might. U is for umbrella in the rain. V is for violin, sweet little strain. W is for whale splash in the sea. X is for xylophone, music with glee. Y is for yak, strong and tall. Z is for zebra, stripes for all.
A is for apple pie, sweet and warm, oh my, oh my. B is for brownie treat, chocolate squares are fun to eat. C is for cupcake tall, frosting swirls, I love them all. D is for donut round, sprinkles shining all around. E is for eclair delight, creamy inside, such a bite. F is for fudge so sweet, tiny squares are nice to eat. G is for gummy bear, chewy candy everywhere. H is for honey bun, golden rolls for everyone. I is for ice cream cone, cold and creamy, all my own. J is for jelly roll, fruity swirls that make me whole. K is for kettle corn, sweet and salty popcorn born. L is for lollipop, colorful candy lick, don't stop. M is for muffin bite, blueberry makes it just right. N is for nougat chew, soft and nutty, tasty too. O is for oatmeal bar, healthy snack that travels far. P is for popcorn pop, snack that never wants to stop. Q is for quince jam, spread it thick on bread, yum yum. R is for Rice Krispie Square, crunchy marshmallows everywhere. S is for Sundae treat, ice cream layers can't be beat. T is for toffee bite, golden crunch that feels so right. U is for upside cake, pineapple topping bakers make. V is for vanilla shake, cool and creamy for me to take. W is for waffle sweet, syrup makes it such a treat. X is for Christmas cake, fruit and nuts the bakers bake. Y is for yogurt swirl, strawberry flavor makes me twirl. Z is for zebra tart, chocolate stripes that win my heart. A is for apple, juicy and sweet. B is for banana, my yummy treat. C is for cherry, red and round. D is for date, from the ground. E is for elderberry, tiny and blue. F is for fig, so good for you. G is for grape, purple or green. H is for honeydew, fresh and clean. I is for Indian fig, spiky and fun. J is for jackfruit, big like the sun. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. L is for lemon, sour for all. M is for mango, golden and bright. N is for nectarine, a sweet delight. O is for orange, round and neat. P is for papaya, soft and sweet. Q is for quince, yellow and rare. R is for raspberry, full of care. S is for strawberry, red with seeds. T is for tangerine, meets your needs. U is for ugly, tiny and pink. V is for vanilla bean, in your drink. W is for watermelon, juicy and cool. X is for exigua, that's watermelon too. I is for yellow plum, sunny and round. Z is for zucchini, from the ground.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on feet. C is for cat, soft and small. D is for dog who loves to call. E is for elephant, big and kind. F is for fish, swimming you'll find. G is for goat, munching hay. H is for hat, we wear each day. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for juice, a yummy treat. K is for kite, flying high. L is for lion, with a roar in the sky. M is for moon, shining bright. N is for nest, where birds take
take flight. O is for orange, round and sweet. P is for panda, cuddly and neat. Q is for queen, with her crown. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for sun, warm and high. T is for train, jogging by. U is for umbrella, in the rain. V is for violin, with a lovely strain. W is for whale, splashing free. X is for xylophone melody. Y D. Y D. Y is for yarn, soft and long. Z is for zebra, black and strong. Now we've sung from A to Z. Come again and sing with me. From A to Z we clap along. Letters and sounds make a happy song.